Hey guys, it's your boy Batsu here. So we've heard that you're kind of confused as to what the vault is. So Bender and I, say hi Bender. Really? Anyway, so Bender and I took up the task to go around the office and ask our coworkers, what exactly is the vault? Let's go find out.
What do you think the vault is?
I think it's where Banana Man lives.
It's where they keep like all the cheese, right?
The vault is, of course, where we keep all the unicorns.
What do you think's in the vault? What do you think the vault is?
Home of flamingos? Is that where they keep the unicorns?
Honestly, I just don't know. I've never seen this vault. I've heard about it, but I think they're teasing me with it.
I know exactly what the vault is. You have to blur out everything around my desk because it says what the vault is. And I'm never gonna disclose that information.
If I had to guess, I'd say that's something I can break into, probably something that I could steal something out of. Usually lots of money involved, but just my guess.
Hold on.
The vault?
Yeah.
The vault is the devil. Okay. The vault is the devil. And here's why. No. It's a great idea. I get it. Lots of companies do this. The vault's the devil because they take all people's favorite flavors and they put it in there, and then they think it's my fault. And I get yelled at on social media and I have to answer for it. It's not my fault. It's Callie's fault. It's all Callie's fault. I have nothing to do with it.
I don't know much about the vault. We don't really talk about it, but I do know that it is heavily guarded.
I think it's where Bender keeps the dead bodies.
It's where the unicorns get drunk.
You mean that refrigerator in the back that like has that curdled milk in it?
Oh yeah, it's the place where they store all the gold at Fort Knox.
So we're here with one of our owners, Eric, and we're gonna ask him, so you should know, what do you think the vault is?
Yeah, I know there's a lot of wrong answers and stuff, but the vault actually is where we take people after their third written up, I don't know, demerit, or anytime HR has to get onto you, you have to go to the vault. Minimum 3 days, but there's a hole in the ground, so you should be able to, take care of your business.
So as you can see, no one really knows what the vault is, even the CEO apparently. So I'll break it down for you and tell you exactly what the vault is and why it exists. So the reason it exists is because some flavors aren't always available. That's kind of why we have limited releases. You pick the flavor out, you get to try it for a little while, and then we bring it back. But, right Bender, say but. But if you're an AF member, you will have exclusive access to the vault flavors. So if you don't want to wait for those limited releases, it's in your best interest to go pick up that AF membership. And as always, I'm Batsu, this is VapeWild, and stay wild, Army. Stay wild.